Hi friends, my name is Naved Khan and today I will tell you how to set multiple random ringtones in Android device. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install a app named Random Ringtone Manager. After opening the app, click on the next button. Again click on the next and once again. Then you will see the three tabs ringtone, SMS tone and add. Give the app the notification permission uh, and click on the ringtone tab. You just need to tap on the ringtones you want to set. Here it is showing system ringtones and the ringtones on your device and music. Just tap on it. How many you want to set? It is unlimited. Set it, and same for the SMS tones. You just need to tap on the tones whatever you want to set and just set it. You can also add the custom applications. Just click on the add buttons and here it is showing the apps. Okay, that's it. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button.